What will win in a drag race between the new BMW M5, the hybrid, the Audi RS6 Performance and the Mercedes-AMG GT63 4-door S? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I am Matt Watson and you are most certainly watching Carwow. The new BMW M5 has a 4.4 litre twin-turbocharged V8 that's combined with an electric motor mounted in the gearbox to make a combined 727 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at a hefty 2,435 kilograms. Prices for the new BMW M5 start from just over £111,000. The Audi RS6 Performance has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 that puts out 630 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. It sends power to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at 2,075 kilos. Prices for the RS6 Performance start from £116,000. The Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door 63S has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 that puts out 639 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque. It sends its power to all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at 2,135 kilograms. This 2019 version of the AMG GT 4-door is about £70,000 used, but a brand new one will cost you from £156,000. Yanni, I thought I'd put you in the Audi today because it's, well, they launched the best. Quattro all-wheel drive, really good for launching, and I know how you need all the help you can get because you're usually a bit sluggish off the line because you don't have the reaction that I do.
Is this how we're starting the day? Like, first race of the day and you're coming for me first thing in the morning? Who's in the other? Is that Nick over there? So we got no Sam today. Okay, nice. Cheers. Thanks. Good morning.
No Sam should mean no excuses. So Nick, Yanni didn't have any comments about his car. What are your thoughts about yours? You have got the most expensive car here, and I think it's the best looking, and it's the one I would like to own the most.
It does look mega, and I think I've got less power than you, but my car costs more, so it's got to make up for it in some other way. I just don't know what that way is yet. But yeah, it looks good.
Now, people might be wondering why the heck we haven't got the E-Performance version of the Mercedes. Well, the idea with this is to see if a hybrid can actually be faster than traditional internal combustion engine cars, which the Audi is, and which that version of the AMG GT 4-door is. What do you think? This is the first question, though, Yanni, I've got for you. What do you think of the look of this car?
Honestly, I think the colour's great. I actually think it looks really good. I have noticed that the front and rear bumper are a different colour to the rest of the car though. So it's obviously made of a different material, so I can see it. And the tyres are named after you, Hankook.
That's not very nice. Nick, would you like to disrespect me a little bit as well? Go on. You've got a free pass.
1 minute. Oh, this is, oh God, so tempting. I didn't like the spec of your GT3 RS.
Oh!
At least you didn't just go, Matt, you're a I hate you.
What you're really thinking.
Right, free pass over. Before we get into this, let's have a chat about what you think is going to happen. I'm not sure. This has a lot more power than before, but it also has more weight, and weight matters in a drag race. And I don't know whether it's going to be able to get all its systems coordinated to launch well, whereas that Quattro Audi really will just put its power down.
I personally think I'll get away first, then you, then Nick. But I think you'll win, but I'm coming second.
Okay, Nick, do you have anything to say about that?
Well, I think sometimes we have enough trouble with non-complicated hybrid BMWs launching, so I'll be amazed if yours bucks that trend. I feel pretty confident in this. These multi-clutch automatics normally quite good, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay, before we get into that though, shall we do a sound check? So I'm going to rev up my BMW. And it's got fake noise on the inside, but it does actually sound quite good on the outside. Put your window down, Yanni, have a listen.
Got a few little murmurs, little burbers.
Go on, let's have a listen to your soft limiter.
Literally, the minute it hits just under 4,000, red light, red light.
Audi, my question to you is, if BMW can have no soft limiter, why do you have to have one? I don't understand. Now let's go for the Mercedes.
think that's 1-0 to you, Matt.
Yeah, followed by the Mercedes and last to you. I wonder if that's how it's going to play out in the racing. Anyway, shall we do it? Now, if you haven't done so already, right, and you like drag racing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. We've got some more drag races coming with this BMW M5 that you won't want to miss. Right, let's see what's going to happen. Usually in these races, the BMW wins. Is that going to be the case today?
3, 2, 1.
Mega launch, even ahead of the Audi.
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, the Mercedes is here!
Bye, Yanni, bye! Oh, Matt's gone.
The Mercedes, whoa! Hello? No. Okay, hands in the air if you had a good launch.
Come on, Yanni, yours was alright. You're just not happy because I beat you off the line slightly.
I don't know what that is.
Nick, was yours all right?
Yeah, it was great. I was just, Yanni, were you doing big fish, little fish cardboard box just there?
Very good, very good. My launch was okay. It wasn't great, it was okay.
But I think we know the outcome, don't we? First for the BMW,
Second for the Mercedes, and last for the Audi.
I think we might call it the Audi today.
I have no words, just no words.
That's a little harsh, Matt.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yes.
We left him.
Neck and neck with the quattro off the line, but now it's getting destroyed.
See you later, Nick.
That's a beauty. That is a beautiful run. It did the numbers. Where's that? Oh, what?
No, Nick, mate. I'll take that. Matt, I ain't gonna lie. I'll take that.
You can take that as well, because that was a great run by this BMW. What are you doing, Nick?
So every time I engage race start in this, it lets me hold it for less time before it drops out. I waited until Jack was at 2 then, and it still dropped out before he dropped his hands. I don't know what's going on.
Matt, if I didn't know any better, I'd have thought Sam was in that car, mate, with the book of excuses that were coming out.
It's the same, but slightly posher. Let's do it again. Go on, drive your car about, Nick. See if you can cool it down. Do you know what's interesting? This BMW, it's been faultless on the launches. Normally you have to go drive them. They're the problem child, usually, when it comes to launching over and over again. But this one, it's like they've finally resolved it.
How much is your car, Matt?
So this is interesting, right? It starts from £111,000, which makes it less expensive than the Audi, which is like £116,000. Yet this BMW has way more power, way more torque, and way more tech. It's mad.
Does that mean it's the cheapest car here?
The correct term, Nick, is that it's the least expensive car here.
That car actually suits you, Matt. You know that. There's certain cars that actually suit you. I think the colour and that car really suit you.
I'm not sure how to take that because I think it's quite ugly.
Like the driver.
Oh, great, so it was a diss. Thanks, Jan. Now let's time this launch better and see what's what.
3, 2, 1.
This was off the line so badly. Compact!
Oh, Matt missed the launch.
Zero traction.
Back! I'm coming back! Come back!
He's coming. Oh no, and he missed the start.
Come on! Come on!
No, don't know. Oh my God, they're both catching me.
This is so close.
Come on! How did it win? I was totally sleeping off the line.
Mate, what's going on? You messed up your launch, he was miles behind, and you both caught me.
I know that was wrong. You thought you were home drive free celebrating, but no, you got Audi'd.
I got Audi'd. Very good. Good. That's very good.
There's something about that car, it's really bizarre. I think there's quite a difference between them. Sometimes they perform very well. They always launch off the line, Quattros, so good, but then they just like peter out. Nick, did you beat the Audi in the end?
I genuinely have absolutely no idea. I got a terrible launch. This thing was axle tramping all over the place, but I have no clue, Yannick. I do not know.
I'm actually really shocked. I'm actually really annoyed.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. Both the Audi and the Mercedes completed the quarter mile in 11.4 seconds, but the slow motion action replay reveals that the Audi crossed the line just ahead of the Mercedes, which came last.
If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out Carwow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. Carwow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to Carwow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, Carwow. Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour over the half mile. Okay, what we're going to do is put the cars in their comfy settings, an automatic mode for the gearbox. All right, so this is a hybrid. I'm going to be in hybrid mode, so it'll probably just creep along to 50 miles an hour without engaging the combustion engine. So that should give you guys a real head start over me, because this will have to fire up its engine, sort out its gears, and do all that kind of stuff.
So if you don't win, Yanni, shame on you. If you don't win, Nick, shame on you. Shame on you both already, just in case. This is preempting the shame.
I hope your car gears up quicker than that explanation. Bloody hell, mate. Get to the point.
Yeah, hopefully. Right, let's go. So I'm in electric power now. I'm in electric power, just electric. It's just electric. It's just still electric. It's still electric. Still electric. Oh gosh, I'm at electric power. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go on, get the engine on. That Mercedes is gone.
Yes, please. Oh, well done, AMG.
But the Audi wasn't really any quicker. Can I reel the Mercedes back?
Hi, Matt. Can't catch me, though.
Come on, BMW! Oh, what do you think of that Audi, Yanni? Is it letting you down?
Can I ask a question? Who does this car belong to?
Audi UK. Why, have you just soiled yourself in it?
Just on a windscreen. Oops, sorry.
You've cracked the wind. Well, you haven't cracked it, unless you purposely drove into a stone. Is it bad?
Bottom right low. I heard all the stones hit the car and I was like, oh! And then I've looked around the windscreen and I found it.
Is it a chip or a crack?
I reckon if you can inject it, it should. It looks like a star.
That's okay, it's a chip. I think next time, if we get into that situation, you're getting pebble dashed, you just back out of it.
Yeah, but I was, to be fair, I was so far behind you that you lot hurt me.
It's their own fault. They should have made the car faster, then it would have been in front.
That's funny, but you know, I was actually on the brakes when it happened, so we'd gone through, we were all braking. That's when it got thrown up at me, not during the race.
Well, do you know what you should have done then? You should have braked harder, or you should have jacked your car up in the air like and jumped over the stone. Anyway, do better, Yanni, do better. Do you know what? It wouldn't matter if you had your Cybertruck, would it? It'd be higher up, wouldn't have reached the windscreen.
Exactly, mate. Don't worry, we're bringing the Cybertruck soon to Carwow.
It's not going to win any races. We are going to be in the sporty settings and in manual mode for the gearbox, so my engine is already running and we're good to go. So 3, 2, 1, go. Well, I mean, this just shot off.
Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, no.
The Audi's doing better this time.
You sure about that?
Oh, Matt's got the jump. Look at that thing go.
But everyone's getting seriously destroyed.
Not going to catch him.
Okay, so I think this car just illustrated the benefits of torque fill from an electric motor there. It was absolutely off, wasn't it, Nick?
Yeah, can't argue with that. That's definitely got enough power to overcome its massive weight.
It brakes surprisingly well as well. How about you, Yanni? You seem to take off pretty decently, but then just run out of power.
Yeah, it weren't great. Gear changing was okay, even when it was flashing red for me to change gears, but just, yeah, it feels slow.
What I don't understand is it has more power than the Mercedes, doesn't it, Nick? Yet the Mercedes is coming past. Is that anything to do with 9 gears? Probably better for acceleration. I don't know. What do you think?
I mean, possibly. I thought this had more power than the Audi. I've got 739. How much has the Audi got?
What? You got 739? Is that the E-Performance?
No, I just had a brain fart moment there. It's 639.
Oh, so it has 9 more horsepower then. Okay, right, fair enough. Have you seen that massive bird there?
Just random, just from nowhere. Yeah, I can see the big bird. Can we do the brake test, please?
Do you know what bird that is?
No, sorry, David Attenborough's not my mate.
Do you, Nick? You probably will, Nick.
I don't know, it's a big brown one. We can go and have a look.
It's a buzzard. Let's have a look. Let's make him fly off. Hello, buzzard. Make him fly off. There he goes, look. Look at that. Let's move him away from this runway because we don't want to hit him. Her. It. It's just going to like park itself on a big pile of
Are you okay, Matt? Are you like really enjoying this? Is this going to be a new channel of yours, bird watching?
I'd love to do a nature channel. Nick would like to do a naturist channel.
Yeah, it's only on during the summer.
Don't surprise me.
Okay, let's wait there. We're going to do a brake test. Hold up, everyone. This is just chaos now. I've got to set my car up. It's got so many settings. Brakes on sport. Yeah, it's all good. I'm going to put the suspension maybe in the middle. Sport. Yeah. And don't brake early. All right, don't be premature. Come on. He's always premature. It's always been a problem for him. There we go. Come on, wait. Don't go against me. Blimey, this is skating.
Where is he?
My car was skating all over the road then. I'm surprised I actually beat you, Nick. But I'm even more surprised by the fact the Audi's like, how far behind's that? It's like a whole car length.
Yeah, probably car and a half. This just broke really nicely. It was really good.
What do you reckon, Nick? Do you call cheat? Or maybe it's just better, the surface there? Look, it's nice and smooth there in the middle. No, maybe it's not. I don't know. Are you blaming the surface? Or cheating? I'm blaming cheating.
Yeah, go on.
Do you reckon we should do it again?
I think we should do it again, yeah.
Now this will be interesting, Yanni. If me and Nick brake similarly and then yours is different.
Similarly, yeah, great word.
Similarly. A simile. What's a simile? Something that sounds like something. Hey Google, what's a simile?
A figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of a different kind, used to make a description more emphatic or vivid, e.g. as brave as a lion.
Or as cheaty as a Yanni. I get it now. Here we go, here comes the line.
I rest my case. You want to do it again, Nick? You want to do it again, Matt?
I don't want to do that again. That was quite scary.
Same here, this was, I think there's quite a bit of moss on this side of the track. So, all right, I take it back. Anyway, listen, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Thanks to the guys that lent us that AMG. Thank you very much. Go follow them over there, say thanks, and it'll encourage them to lend us more cars. In fact, see what else they've got. Maybe they can bring some other cars along. Also, thanks to Yanni. If you want to watch his Cybertruck adventures, then go over to his channel, Yanni Mize. And of course, if you haven't done so already and you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else, just check on the Carwow logo, click on the Carwow logo, as forgetful as a Matthew. Click on the Carwow logo to compare all the cars times and the Carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.